Mix these two ingredients and destroy any cysts and fibroids. Cysts on the ovaries and fibroids in the uterus are benign growths that usually develop slowly. In most cases, they are characterized by mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. However, over time, they can be a huge problem and cause symptoms like bloating, bleeding, and pain. It is estimated that these non-cancerous growths affect 75% of women in the USA. Fibroids can come in different size and number. Cysts also vary in number, from a single to multiple cysts. Polycystic ovary syndrome is the most complex type. The location and texture of these growths can also vary. The cysts can be filled with fluids while fibroids have a denser tissue. Main symptoms of ovarian cysts. Ovarian cysts are not always characterized by specific symptoms. However, the two most common symptoms include pain during ovulation and sharp pain in the pelvis. Main symptoms of uterine fibroids. Uterine fibroids, on the other hand, are characterized by pressure on the bladder, constipation, pain in the lower abdomen, uterine cramps, and heavy or light vaginal bleeding. Today, we have an incredible remedy which can treat ovarian cysts and uterine fibroids. To prepare this remedy, you need only two simple ingredients. The main ingredient is house leek, a plant that is extremely effective in the treatment of fibroids and cysts. It is full of nutrients that can treat almost everything. The Latin name of the plant translates to always living, so you can imagine how many benefits this powerful plant offers. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 500 gr of honey, 300 gr house leek leaves. Directions. You should chop the house leek leaves and put them in a bowl. Pour the honey over them and store the remedy in a jar. Let it stand in the closed jar for a few days. Use. Take this remedy in the morning, on an empty stomach, and make sure not to drink or eat anything a few hours afterwards. In this way, the remedy will work. This powerful remedy can treat uterine fibroids and cysts, boost your metabolism and detoxify your body. It is recommended to consume it during the colder months because during winter more toxins accumulate in the organs and tissues. Don't hesitate to try this remedy and you will be amazed by the results.